As one of the giant countries in the world, China clearly has a capable military fleet. One that is often discussed is the stealth fighter belonging to the Chinese Liberation Army Air Force, PLAF, the Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon. According to worldmeters.info data, China is the third country with the largest area in the world. The Bamboo Curtain country has an area of 9.6 million km, consisting of 9.3 million km of land and 270,550 kilometers of sea territory. With that vast territory, China certainly must have a strong military fleet to secure its territory. As a defense component, the PLAF has a number of high-tech combat aircraft. The Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon is one of them. Created by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Company, the J-20 is one of only 4 operational stealth aircraft in the world. Three other stealth aircraft in the world are owned by the United States, U.S., namely Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit, Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor and Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. According to data from Warshina.com, the stealth aircraft development program actually started in China at the end of 1990. Initially, this program was called the JXX, and the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Company won the tender for the manufacture of this aircraft. After more than 10 years of manufacture, the Chengdu J-20 finally made its maiden flight on January 11, 2011 according to Aviation Week and AMP. Space technology data, the Chengdu J-20 has a maximum speed of 2,100 kilometers. That means, this stealth fighter jet is the fourth fastest after the Sukhoi Su-57, Russia, Shenyang FC-31, China, and the F-22 Raptor, USA. Regarding artillery, the Chengdu J-20 can carry 2 PL-10 short-range missiles and 6 PL-12 medium-range missiles. After being modified, the Chengdu J-20 can also carry long-range missiles such as the PL-15 and PL-21. Lastly, on the other hand, the U.S. has stated that the Chengdu J-20 cannot carry out air combat. According to the Business Insider report, China did not equip the plane with weapons at all. Therefore, the U.S. feels that its 2 stealth aircraft, F-22 and F-35, are far superior, and China does not place the Chengdu J-20 as an opponent to the 2 U.S. aircraft. On the other hand, the U.S. boasted that China designed the Chengdu J-20 to avoid air combat.